Chapter 13 discusses how to arrange and assign seating. How the class reacts to your first directions will be an indication of how students will react to your directions for the remainder of the year. Yes, the remainder of the year, and they will react in one of two ways. They will follow your orders promptly, or they will grumble and argue over everything you want them to do for the rest of the year. And here's why. 1. Greet your students as they enter the classroom. One of the most successful techniques is to meet and greet your students at the door as they enter the classroom. There are effective and ineffective ways to handling this request. The effective teacher will be present in the room or at the door as the students arrive. They will assign seating to everyone upon entering the room, and they have an assignment ready on each desk for each student. The ineffective teacher is nowhere in sight when the students arrive, reshuffles the whole class after everyone has found a seat, and grumbles about all the administrative details that must be done before class begins. So is it seating arrangements or seating assignments? Seating arrangements take priority. The purpose of arranging seats is to accomplish classroom tasks. The teacher must know what the students are to accomplish before arranging the seats. Arranging seats for communication, the main purpose of that is to get the communication. How students will communicate will determine the success of the accomplishment. There are ways that you can show examples of seating arrangements. Those would be first day registration and procedures, cooperative learning, listening to a lecture, sitting to hear a story, class discussion and interaction, or small group activity, or even taking a test. Seating assignments may be done by age, alphabetical order, peer group tutoring, paired problem solving, or by achievement level. To determine seating arrangements for the accomplishment of classroom tasks, you need to ask yourself the following 3 questions. 1, what do I want to do? Do I want to read a story, do small group activities, teach discipline, procedures, and routines? 2, what kind of seating arrangements are possible? You may be limited by size or shape of the room or the available chairs and tables in the room. And 3, which seating arrangement will I use? Different seating arrangements need to be used to accomplish various tasks efficiently. The students must sit in a way that helps facilitate what you want them to accomplish. The effective teacher assigns students to their seats on the first day of school. Don't make finding one seat on the first day of school a frustrating treasure hunt. The task should be over in a matter of seconds. It is not a topic for class discussion. It should be done in a closed issue because you are the teacher and in charge of the instructional program. You will have a much more effective class, most of the time, if you assign students to these seats.